A1 Terrazzo
725
Restoration and Installation,
752.
located in Central Florida. Specializes in terrazzo flooring, installation and restoration for residential and commercial clients. Terrazzo flooring is a composite material made of marble, quartz, granite, glass, or other durable materials. A un Terrazzo offers installation and restoration services and partners with a top terrazzo flooring supplier to provide various color and design options. Terrazzo is known for its durability, water resistance, and stain resistance, coming in a range of colors and designs to suit different styles. Call us today for more information about our established services.